doubt, you can ask Praveen or Rahul Vignesh. Okay, they will help you in this. Now, can you see my server? So now I've already done a program. I'll give you demo on that. Okay. So now already I have a data set. So I'm going to 3.4. See, I have already created TECN59 MSM.JCL PDS. See my name, MS Mangala. So I have given this as a secondary qualifier, JCL PDS. Now I'm opening this. In this, you create a member. See, I have created a member called as IEB Jenner. Okay, and I have written a program. Before that, I have created this TECN59 MSM.PS and MSM.outPS. In this MSM.PS, I have some data. Okay. That will be copied to this outPS. So now what does our JCL coding sheet says? In the first two columns, you have to write a 2 forward slash, then a job name, the job in the 12th column. So 12, 13, 14. 15th is a blank, 16th is a blank. From 17th onwards, you have to write a keyword parameters. Again, insert a line, any user defined step name. You should notice here all job, exec and DD are in the same line. See, though I have a space here, you should not write. Most of the students make a mistake, okay, by writing in the, after one line space and they'll write the exec here. No. Remember this job should start on the 12th column only. And this should start in the 17th column only. If you have any doubt how to count the column numbers, you just give columns. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After every 5, you can see the numbers here. So you will not have any confusion. See here, 5, 10, 11, 12th column. I have started this one. Are you able to notice this 12th column here? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you are writing this one. After this, okay, see program equal to IB Jenner. 2 forward. Again, if you are stuck, you just type I here, insert a line. Or if you press enter, automatically a line comes. So CUT1 DD MSM.PS. I have this, I have already created this. So I am using. Again, this one also I have created. Sysprint DD sysout, sysin DD dummy. Now I have given a delimiter. If you want, you can give a null statement also. If you don't want, you can leave. Now, what is this program for? This is a program to copy records from PS to PS. Okay, I have written like this. You can, like this, you can comment about your program. Anywhere you can comment. Not at the end, in the beginning, in the center also you can comment. So if you comment your program, later on, after some time, you will understand what is this program for. Okay, make it an habit from the day one. Once the program is done, you comment this program so that it will be easy. Now, I have written this thing following JCL coding sheet. Before doing your lab, open your notes, look at the JCL coding sheet, read it once and then start typing your program. Then you will not have any confusion. Now, after this, after writing a program, first thing you have to do is save. Okay, from here, every step what I say, you take a pic of it so that you will understand what you have to do. Please take a pic at this point. Enter. After that, you have to submit your program. Take a pic here, SUB. If you write SUB, your program gets submitted. Took the pic. There is one of you sitting in a calm place where you are not getting disturbed. You unmute and please let me know whether you have taken the pic or not.
Taken, ma'am.
Okay. Now after submit, you press enter. See, you are getting some notification. What is that? TSN 59 AS got submitted, and for this it is giving you one ID. This ID is very important. You have to remember this number 63651. Okay, and then only it will help you to reach your school. After getting this, again enter. See, it is showing you TSN 59 AS ended at max CC 0. See, if you get max CC 0, it indicates that your program is successful. If you get 4, 8, 12, 16, only these 4 you will get. Okay, if you get this, it is having errors. 4 means small errors, you can go ahead, no issue. 8, 12 and 16 you have to resolve the errors. How to resolve also I will show you. What does this mean? This job called as TSN 59 AS was submitted at 9 o'clock 53 minutes 19 seconds. Don't get, our time is 7:38. This is server time, not our time. Okay. And a job ID called as 63651 was given by Houston Automatic Spooling Creative. What is this? I will tell you later. For a job name, it is ended at max CC 0. Okay, and again if I press enter, and now you go back to this PS file, you can see the data would have been copied. First let me show what is there in this TSN 59.ps. Now what you do, you just copy this if you don't remember. Okay, otherwise also no issue. Now where you want to go, equal to 3.4. Now you place that name, or you can type, no issue. Now, I'm going to that input PS file. I'm opening it. Welcome to mainframe I have written. So where it should have been copied? To that out PS file. So again I have to go there. Now what I will do, I will give my output PS file. I will open that. Welcome to mainframe is copied here. Okay, this is how you copy the data from one file to another file using program. Tell me guys, have you understood this one? Yes, ma'am. Dayanandan, understood, pa?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Repeat once again.
What, pa?
Repeat once again. You can write the program in a PDF file only, na?
Yes, pa. Always in a PDS member. See, PS files are used only to store the data. Now, what data I have stored? Welcome to mainframe. Like that. You can store the data. You should never write a PS file data program in a PS file. Why? You will learn in later classes.
Okay.
I'll give you one more demo. Are you noticing? I am removing the comma. So I am saving this. I am submitting it. See what it is showing? Ended at J. So what is the number? 63654. If I get like this, you have to reach your spool. How to reach your spool? Please take a pic of this command. TSO space SDSF space SD. Okay, this is the command. What does that mean? Note down in your book. TSO stands for time sharing option. SDSF stands for Spool Display Search Facility.
Well, repeat once again.
What, pa?
Repeat once again.
Spool Display Search Facility. stands for status. What do you mean by this? I am using time sharing option. I am going to spool to display or search the status of my job. Okay, because it showed error. So what is the error? I have to see. So I am going to see the status of my job. After typing this, if you press enter, what was ID? 54, isn't it? In front of this, you have to give a question mark. Okay, please take a pic here. So we got 51, 52, 53. All this was successful. That 54 we had an error. So I am giving a question mark here. After giving question mark, enter. Here you will get just this message or this print. There you have to type yes. Take a pic here. Enter. See what it is showing here in statement number 4, improper subparameter list in the DSN field. That means after writing your data set name, you have to separate it. Before writing a parameters, I said you have to separate it with a comma. So that comma is missing, so it is showing you there. So now you may understand, okay, in statement number 4, I have made a mistake. So what you have to do, open your program, whatever you have taken the pic, see what have you done a mistake and resolve. But after some time, you yourself will understand what the mistake is. Even after that, you don't understand, no issue. Take a pic of this. See, when you are taking the pics, I have noticed you are taking it from a long distance. It is not clear because this is a green black screen. It is not clearly visible. Okay. So take a pic properly and then take a pic of your program both and then send it to your lab coordinators and ask them to resolve it. If you just tell them I have a will not understand. Okay, you have to send this and your program, then only they will understand. Okay, now you have to come back to program. How to come back? Function F3. Note down function F3 for coming back. Or if it is personal computers, it is only F3. If it is F3 is not supporting, you have to type function F3. I will come back to program. What I will do, I want to insert a comma here. Place your cursor here. Okay. Then you have an insert button here. Type that. See, can you see insert here? So if you press that insert button, you will get a command here called as insert or red color up arrow mark. Okay, and then you insert it. Now what I am doing, I am saving this again. Every time when you do saving is important. Submit, enter, job got submitted, ended at max is 0. Fine, understood?
Where is the insert command?
On your laptop you will have, isn't it? But the keyboard insert, if you press that only a line gets inserted. Now I'll make one more mistake for you. Instead of SysUT1, I'll write it as TD. Okay, because it requires in SysUT1 as the input. What happens? Let us see. I'll save, submit, max is 12. So I have a major error because see now if it is Priyanka, if I am writing a correct spelling, it is very fine. If I write a mistake, it's a major thing, isn't it? So what is that? Let us see. How to go? TSO, SDSF, ST, enter. What was the job name? 56. Enter. You have susprint. Enter. See, DD name SysUT1 cannot be opened because I have not given DD name as SysUT1. Okay, so this is the error it is showing. Okay, come back now. Now I will change that. Okay. Ended at max is 0. I'll make one more mistake. Now, instead of if I am writing Guru Prasad, GURUPRASAD, fine. If I make a mistake there, if I keep writing and calling him, he will not answer. He will think that I am calling someone else, isn't it? In the same way, my utility name is IEB Channel. What I will do, I'll remove this R. Okay, did you notice I have removed this R? Respond, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I am calling. So, operating system, what it will do? It will go search for this utility. What is this IEB Genie this girl has written? I don't know. So, it will tell you, I didn't find this utility. Load module not found. It will get. Wow, I'll show you. Save. Submit. Got submitted. See, it is showing abandoned S806. What is S806? Load module not found. You may ask me, how do I know, madam, S806 means load module not found? So you don't know now. I said you know. So what you are doing? You are copying this from abandoned S806. Go to Google, type. It will show you this error. What is the meaning of this? How to resolve everything? Google will tell you. If you don't understand, no problem. Take a pic of it, send it to lab coordinators, ask them, they will tell. See, post it in a group for me. Okay, if I am free, surely I will answer. Otherwise, you have to send it to lab coordinators only. Now, when you get a abend like this, take a pic of it and store it. They'll ask you in the interview, what is S806 abend? Okay, that means load module not found. Today I said you, so you are noting down. If you are not aware, copy, paste it in Google, it will give you answer. Come back. Okay, I will type the name properly. If submit, got submitted. See, access is 0. Like this, if you get a spool error, what to do, all those things you will be learning. So today you are doing 4 programs. Copying from PS to PS, PS to PDS member, PDS member to another PDS member, PDS member to PS. If you practice writing these 4 programs, from tomorrow onwards, you will have more programs to work. Okay. So first practice this, and if you have any doubt, you are always welcome to ask the lab coordinators. Lab coordinators you have to ask anywhere after 7 or 8. Okay. Don't call them in the early morning hours. And 9 o'clock only you can call them. After that, don't call. If your timing is after 9 also, if you have any issue, leave this program. Go for other program. Start doing that. All the errors you capture in your photo and then send it to them and ask them after next day morning. Okay. Please do all these programs. Okay. Get thorough with this and then we'll have the next class tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, as usual, you will have it at 8 or 8:30, whichever your comfortable time is. Okay. So, any doubt in the program?
No, ma'am. Spool, no, this spool.
So, I am logging off. Equal to X. Enter. Type 3. Enter. Log off. enter, it has been logged off, then close the server. Okay, so that's it guys. Have a good day. You can leave the meeting.